Hello, my name is Muhammad Zulhamizan bin Zulkifli, and in this video I will talk about what I have learned in this class. So in this class is actually more about self-learning. There's not much teaching session. However, we do given guidance and advice. So the very first thing we learn about the UI and UX. So from this, I've learned and finally able to differentiate between UI and UX. So basically, UI is how the apps or the application looks, and UX is how convenient it is to use, and so basically UI is how the user feels when they look at the application, while UX is how the user feels when they use the apps. and and then we learn about gamification, and I think gamification are very important element to be put in for your application. So basically, gamification is the element uh, which encourage user to keep using the application, to keep a user interested, basically giving the user motivation to keep going. And a few example of gamification are like the leaderboard, the point, prize, reward, and avatar. And in term of theory, I think that's all we learn. Other than that, it's mostly practical. So for our project, we start off with a proposal. So we need to have a meeting with our group and discuss about our project, the idea in the team of medical. Our team choose to do a fitness app, and then we move to create a prototype and to design the layout for the application. And next we meet the expert for advice, and meeting the expert have give me a lot of new knowledge and experience on how to set up a meeting, how to talk, and how to prepare question early on. And then we learn on and then we to develop the apps, we learn how to use Cordova and Laravel. We attend a crash course for both these, and in the end we choose to use Cordova for to develop our apps, because honestly I think Laravel is easier, but to actually make the program become APK is easier to do on Cordova. So in this development, I learned a lot about the process, and how the teamwork in this process are really important, on how to separate work between teammate. So uh, overall, this class is more about the experience we get on how to develop the apps, uh, and I think I get a lot of experience from this class. And as for my expectation, firstly, when early this semester, I expected to learn a lot of coding, maybe a new software, but it turned out uh, we didn't learn much coding. We just learned a new platform, which is Cordova and Laravel. But I think that is fine, because uh, the I think the main point about this class is to get the experience to develop an app, which we did. and that's not the most successful application, to be honest, but I think it is a good starting point for us to learn, and so to create a better application next time. So that's all from me. Thank you.